It was a goalless draw at the weekend here at Hearts. Was it more important to respond well and keep a clean sheet and maybe just get the 1 point more so than get 3 points?
It's better always get 3 points, but if a team doesn't concede the goal, if a team don't concede the goal, it's easier to score. That's the mentality in football in general. Many games you concede the goal and it was difficult to go and score again. Many games we did that, we scored, but it's better to keep a clean sheet than have more opportunity and to score and a goal. That's it.
Obviously want to take 3 points each game, but this game was really important to be solid at the back and keep clean sheet against Hearts. I think they're good creative players, so this game was really important to get points.
So was there lots of positives to take from that going forward?
Yeah, of course. After 8-1 defeat, we responded and get back to 0 at the back, so I thought it was good.
Well, it's Dundee United and Kilmarnock up next. Both are below you in the table. Do you target points from their games more so than other ones?
If you look at the table, yes, it's a 6-point game. Each game is a 6-point game because if you win these teams, you can be in a more comfortable position. Not comfortable, but you'll be better. Yeah, it's if you look at the table, yes, but every game is important to us.
Every next game for us now it's vital. I think it's so important now. So we just need to fight for each point. Doesn't matter who is next. Obviously, Kilmarnock and Dundee United, it's massive games for us now.
Well, looking the other way of the table now, you say you're obviously just taking it game by game, but are you still aware of the fact that there's only 4 points between you and being in the top 6?
Yeah, obviously we know that, but our main thing is to stay in the league, and now it's really, we see the league is so tight, so each game is very hard, and we need to take very seriously each game. Because we can't think now 3 games what will be later. The next game is more important, so we need to concentrate on that.
We focus the next game. We didn't put objectives inside because as we see the league is tough. I believe we have our own objective, but our objective is not the top 6. Our objective is Saturday, and win every game is important.
Do you think it's kind of important but to kind of keep the positive mindset, especially since you said the Celtic result was disappointing but you bounced back from that and kept a clean sheet?
I saw our gaffer saying when you play the game is done. You can change nothing, so you need to leave it and go and concentrate on the next game. So as soon as the game finishes, it doesn't matter if you lose or win, you need to concentrate on the next game.
Well, back to Kilmarnock now. They're coming off the back of a really disappointing 5-1 defeat to their relegation rivals Dundee United. Is it good as well that they've kind of taken points off?
It depends of the Kilmarnock mentality. If they, of course, we're going to try to exploit that. But if they have a good mentality, they will just reset their minds and they're going to play normal with us. Yes, we have to exploit that, but. It's 11v11 side, so it's a new game, it's a new history. Every Saturday is a new history.
How's the mood about training this week?
It's fine. The Gaffer just spoke with us. He speaks with us every day and keep us with a good mentality. So we have to reset, as we said, we have to reset our mind every Saturday and have to play. That's our life.
I think the season was really good for us. I think we enjoyed football, results was good, but then we had a hard spell. I think many teams in this league had bad spells as well. It's now how we react on that and how we bounce back.
Well, you touched on my next question. Obviously, most teams in this league have had a tough spell. Yeah. Is that important to remember that it will end?
Obviously, but it's up to us. I think it's in our heads and we're playing on the pitch, not the Gaffer. Gaffer doing the right thing, he give us tactics, he say how to play, it's up to us how we do it on the pitch.